a generation of my time. There is nothing we can do. Stop this plague from breaking through. Don't come around and waste my time. A generation of my kind. There is nothing we can do. Stop this plague from breaking through.
Deep end, we're alive, living life underwater. Let's spend all we've got getting buzzed. You pretend you're a god, I believe I'm a soldier. We play hide and seek till you draw. Love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. Running, I'll catch you on my own, boy. No, love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. Great radio playing, I own it because Venus is my mother. I've got my girls for life. Freedom is my sister. I've got my girls, got my girls. Got my Dreams burn in my eyes and my heart beats for rainbows. Gaga makes me dance till I drop. Big spender to the right with no room for another. I play kiss and tell like a boss. Love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. Running, I'll catch you on my own, boy. No, love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. The way radio playing, I own it because Venus is my mother. I've got my girls for
This is Mike and Jamie. They first met in first grade and quickly became childhood sweethearts. Growing up, they were always together. It was love at first sight. They dreamed of a fairy tale wedding, having successful careers, and most importantly, starting a family. After their daughter, Emily, was born, Mike and Janie moved into their dream home. It was the perfect place to raise a family. They had it all. But then disaster struck. One night, a fire destroyed everything they had. They were left homeless and penniless. But they were safe. Sometimes bad things happen to good people. And when you have nothing, you'll take what you can get. But now, they're starting over. They want to rebuild their lives. They want somewhere to raise their daughter. Somewhere they can be a family. Somewhere they can call home. They're doing it for Emily. Life is full of challenges. It's part of being a human. But no matter how hard things seem, no matter how difficult it is, there's always hope. Life is full of memories, but it's also full of hope. Mike and Jamie are looking forwards, not backwards. Sure, bad things happen, but you can shape your own future. You're not defined by mistakes or tragedies. You are defined by your spirit, your hopes, and your dreams. We know Mike and Jamie will build a home for Emily. A home full of love and dreams. They never gave up. We believe in them. And we believe in you.